This is Sean of the construction marketing team. Just wanted to send over a quick video showing you 3 things you can do to increase traffic to your website, which will convert into new leads and new customers for your business each month. Now first, it's a good looking website. Everything's laid out well, good images, good content, easy to navigate, but unfortunately, not a lot of people are seeing your website. We have a saying in our industry, the best place to hide a dead body is on page 2 of Google. Now, there are about 90 monthly searches for window replacement in Amarillo, but unfortunately, about 90% of searchers don't get past the first page. If we type in something like replacement windows in Amarillo, we can find these 3 companies right here up in the map pack, and these companies down here in the organic search results. But unfortunately, we're not finding your business here on page 1. So that means those searches, those 90 searches for window replacement every month in Amarillo, are going to all of your competitors here. Now, real quick, we're going to show you 3 things that you can do today to improve your website so that it will outrank your competition on Google. Now, the very first thing is content. You're going to want at least 1,500 words of keyword-dense content on your home page. Now, we took a look at your home page. We took all the words off of it and copied it into this word counter here, and it pulled up 238 words. Now, it's a little light. We want to bring it up to 1,500 words of keyword-dense content, including keywords like windows, vinyl, siding, replacement, Amarillo, keywords that shows Google that your website is relevant for those search terms. Number 2 is backlinks. Backlinks are simply links from other sites that point back to your site. Go over here to Majestic, which is a tool we use for backlink building. It shows that you only have 1 backlink. If we go over to one of your competitors, Window World Amarillo, which shows up first here in the organic search results, it shows that they have 4 backlinks. Now, that's really not too bad. Get up to 5 backlinks and you're outranking your competition. Finally, number 3, citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number posted in business directories online. You go over here to omnicoreagency.com. They have a list of over 200 local SEO citation sources that you can list your business on. Things like Facebook, Google, Bing, Yahoo, Biz Directory, Biz Journals, things like that. These are all free ways that you can post your business online and just have more ways for customers to run into your business. If these 3 things are done, 1,500 words on your home page, backlinks linking back to your site, and citations done on business journals and business directories, these 3 things will get you to the first page of Google. So again, 90 monthly searches for window replacement in Amarillo, and that's just window replacement. That's not counting awnings, gutters, siding. You want to be showing up on the first page for all of these things. So all that traffic that's coming in from Google is going to your website and not your competitors. Anyways, y'all, we do appreciate your time. Now, we've helped a lot of businesses get to the first page of Google, which has increased their traffic and in some cases 10x their monthly revenue. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, this is Sean with the construction marketing team. We'd love to hear from you.